Hey Glam Dolls, I am here today to share with you all some fabulous goodies I scored from my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by digging in these bags. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, waiting to see what did MGA find in her local Dollar Tree this time. Yes, and this time I want to start out with some artificial nails by Sassy Chic. Yes, if you are an official glam doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed glam doll, you know my obsession with Sassy Chic artificial nails. So let me tell y'all something, okay? The stiletto nails are back in Dollar Tree. Yes, the stiletto nails, and your girl was not playing. The first ones I want to share with you is the red and pink design ones that looks like this right here. What I'm loving about this one in particular is it's red nails, however it has accent nails of pink with white designs on them, and I kind of feel like these would be perfect for Valentine's Day that's coming up, or if you're just a lady who loves to wear red, stilettos hello is in. So that's that one right there. The next ones are the black and white newspaper design ones that looks like this right here. That is the newspaper design, liking those just the same. The next ones are a nude color, in which I already have a video down in the description box below sharing with you how I applied this exact pattern of nail in which you are seeing right now. If you want to see that video, just check down in the description box below. That's this nude neutral looking one. And the last pair, you can't go wrong with some lace on your nails. Yes, these I was absolutely obsessing with too. I've wore this design quite a few times before in my past, so much so that I also have a dedicated video down in the description box below sharing with you how I applied this design as well. That video will be down in the info box below. You can check down there for that. And those were the designs that I picked up, but within the designs that I just showed you, your girl went in, so I got a lot of them. So moving forward, the next bag I want to share with you are some hair supplies that I picked up, and I was super excited to have seen this in the store. I purchased this one right here, this headband. It comes two on it, but it's a single headband, and it's very, very sturdy. And this is a trusted brand. I've seen this brand in Walmart. I've seen this brand in Dwayne Reed. I've seen this brand all over. So this is a trusted brand, and to say it was in Dollar Tree for $1, you know I snatched every other design from this brand that they had, just for the mere fact that when I've seen this in other places like Walmart, Kmart, and you know, so forth, I've always seen this anywhere from $2 to like $5 for a single headband, and I got it from Dollar Tree for just $1. You know I was very happy. So I also picked up this Everyday and Active headband, just the same, and it has a braided pattern on it. That's that one right there. Then I picked up this design right here. These are brown and black, and I'm loving that it has a little comb that will help to keep the headband adhered onto your head better. So there's that one right there. So then I picked up this one right here. If you see this design, I kid you not, just snatch more than one of them, you will thank me later. Got this one right here, are these bobby pins. And I picked these up because they're gold, rose gold, and silver. Look at how cute those colors are. They're metallic and they're in gold, silver, and rose gold. So, so, so adorable. Got those. And then I picked up this vase right here. Some say vase, some say vases. I picked this up to just keep my makeup brushes in on my vanity. So I'll put that right there. Next thing I picked up are these Sure Fresh zipper seal sack bags that come 40 to a pack. Now I didn't pick this up to store any food or anything in it. I picked this up because they're very small, and what I do is, let me open it. See, they're very, can you get this? I think you can get that. They're very small, and I like to put my jewelry in there, like my costume jewelry, how my necklaces and stuff. I put them in little baggies like this, so when I put them in the drawer, they don't get tangled up with each other and be all over the place. So I like to store my little costume jewelry in little baggies like this. So that's why I got these, because I ran out and I needed some more. So now let me say I saved the best for last, which I want to share with you all. This is going to be the highlight of the video. I found some handbag charms. Yes, dogs, get in there and find these. Get in your Dollar Tree and find these. They say these are for keychains, but I like to put these on my handbags. I call them handbag charms, and let me tell you, they're worth you looking into. So this one is red, white, and hot pink with a gold tone. That's that one. Then I got a silver one right here, a silver tassel. This is faux leather. They're not genuine leather, but a faux leather tassel. Then I got the faux leather tassel again in the gold tone. That looks like that right there in the gold tone. And lastly, I purchased another loose tassel ones, and this is orange, purple, and sky blue. That looks like this right here. And let me just take one out the packaging so you can see what it's looking like. And this is what I mean by it being a tassel that looks like this right here. So super cute. And this is the chain that you just attach it onto your purse, or if you want to put it on your keychain, you can totally put it on your keychain, but I'm going to put it on my purse, and that's the gold one. And when I open this one out of its packaging, and that's this one right here, and as you can see, it had oh, this is like a faux suede. I don't think this is genuine suede. It might be faux suede, but I'm loving that it has this little heart hanging right here, and then it has its tassels, and then it's in a beautiful little gold tone design. And I think it's super cute, and it saves just $1. Your girl is not mad at it. But on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you've seen something that you was interested in, one thing about Dollar Tree, once something is gone, it's gone. So I highly encourage that you get yourself in your local Dollar Tree and see what fabulous goodies you can score for yourself. But on that note, yeah, this really did just conclude the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget, we got to stay socially connected, so please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. So I'm gonna get out of here and put this stuff away, but I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.